Hello everyone, it's Donna, and today I am doing a video on attaching the smaller of the AccuFeed dual feed foot holders onto the machine. I had a request for it because this thing can sit kind of funky if you don't get it on right, and we're going to put it on right and show you what it looks like when it's on the machine. So give me a minute, I'm going to get you flipped around and we will start working on it. Oh, and like the other day, I removed my needle again because I don't want to get poked by it while I'm doing this. So hold on, we'll be back. Okay, so I'm going to take this one off. Oops. Open this up. And I'm going to go ahead and slide this one on. And just like the other foot, I'm going to try to show you here. We are going to get this connected to the machine. And it fits on just like the other where you remove the ankle that was on. And let me get it. We're going to walk this area back where the screw is. And then we will make sure this is connected. So hold on. I hope you heard that little pop. Let me do it again. Make the lights stay on. Okay, so right now it is in the where the screw is, and I'm going to tighten it. Oh no, I'm not. Hear this go in? That was the little pop. Let's do it again. That's where the screw is. Now your walking foot's on. So I'm going, or the dual feed foot appliance. And just tighten it down. Okay, and as it sits here, you can see that this, just like the other one, let me get my finger back here. It's very flat across here, so it's just like the other. If this thing is sticking out, or doing something weird and it's not kind of flush back here, then you know you do not have it on correctly. So I'm going to flip the camera around again, and I'm going to bring you to the front, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's on correctly and what you'll see. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this is the foot attached to the machine. I have not lowered it yet, but you see how this part is kind of angled on here. Let me see if I can show it from the side. It doesn't really look it, but when you look at it from the front, you know what it is. It's this little angle right there makes it look like it's sitting funky on there. But when you have this on, this is the way it should look. And when you lower your foot down, you're going to see the wider part, the 9mm part of the feed dogs on the outside. So I'm going to start sewing real slow and let you see how it works. So hold on. Let me get it a little bit faster, and so this is what it looks like. I see that. So this is what it's going to look like when it's working here. Let me raise this up. Raise my needle bar. And I can't ultra raise it, but your other set of feed dogs that are like right down in here are going to be gripping right in here, and then this will be gripping on the two innermost. But that's how this fit works, and this is what it looks like when it's on correctly on your machine. So give it a try, and if you want to see and really don't want to hurt your machine, maybe take your needle out. That way, if it pops out or something, you won't at least do that, or jam your take-up arm that goes up and down. So let me know if you have any more questions, and hope this helps you. Till then, talk to you later. Bye.